Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to get these luscious curls by using the Chi Aloe Vera with Agave Nectar Curls Define collection. First, I start by using the Curl Enhancing Shampoo and a Detangling Conditioner. Next, I'm going to take the Humidity Resistant Leave-In Conditioner. Next, we're going to add some Control Gel. Evenly disperse it. Fabulous. Next, we're going to diffuse my curly hair with the Chi Nano Hair Dryer. Last but not least, we're going to take some aloe vera oil. It's gonna make your hair shine as bright as that diamond that you are. Just run your hands through it. You want some shine. Bunch it up, give it some life, and you're done. If you wanna refresh your curls, here's a little secret. Take our curl reactivating spray, spray it in your hair, and give it that fresh, bouncy look.